그거 거기하고 장갑이하고 묶고 싶어요.
Today from Beijing has just landed at the Jiangsu International Airport.
나무